from sugarspunrun.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to be showing you how to make Texas caviar, also commonly known as cowboy caviar. Now there are no actual fish eggs involved in making this caviar, just some super simple ingredients for a super tasty, super easy dip. I've never taken this Texas caviar anywhere and not received rave reviews over it. So let's go ahead and get started. As you're about to see, this recipe is so easy. So let's start with a large bowl and add 3 diced Roma tomatoes. Now there are a lot of diced veggies going into this recipe, and to give this Texas caviar the perfect caviar texture, I really recommend dicing everything as small as possible. This is going to make sure you have a little bit of everything on your chip when you go to dip it. Next, dice 2 ripe avocados and add those to your bowl. We'll add 15 ounces of rinsed and drained canned black beans and 15 ounces of rinsed and drained black-eyed peas. Next, we'll add 1.5 cups of frozen sweet corn. Now, if you plan on serving this Texas caviar immediately, I do recommend thawing the corn before you add it, but it actually thaws quite quickly on its own, so I usually just toss it in, and by the time I'm ready to eat it, it's been thawed. Next, we'll add 1 finely diced green or red bell pepper. Either color will work. You could even use orange. I'm using a mix of red and green because that's what I happen to have left over from dinner last night. Now add 1/3 cup of finely diced red onion and 1 finely diced jalapeno pepper. Make sure you remove the seeds from the jalapeno before dicing it, otherwise you're going to have a really spicy Texas caviar. Finally, add 1/3 cup of finely chopped cilantro, and now stir everything together. And let's set this aside while we prepare our dressing. The Texas caviar dressing is really simple. We'll start with 1/3 cup of olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and just 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now just mix everything together really well and your Texas caviar is ready to serve. Texas caviar can be served immediately or you can make it in advance and the flavors will really come out as it sits in the fridge. Personally, I like to eat mine right away and I really recommend dipping corn chips in your Texas caviar. It is as easy as that. I think you guys are going to love this dip. As I said, it is a hit every time I bring it anywhere. I really hope you'll try it out and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time.